Okay, so we have the Christmas parade in Salisbury tomorrow. So we're going in with my neighbors, business, James, the small engine guy, and son. This is our 3rd year in it, I think. So I got some new lights this year that I'm going to try out. And then I always put a Christmas tree in the back also. So we're going to get that started now. Yeah, I got 300 feet in this roll also, so I'm just going to go through the bike now with the rock lights and decide where I kind of want the lights all hung up.
Ready for the Christmas parade? Got the rock lights.
Yo! In sync rock lights?
Got the light bar all done up.
Dude.
Side by side looks very nice.
Gotta finish the lights. Okay, now I'm gonna clap and yours will be done. Ready? Yo, that was a sick transition.
It's all done. Rock lights look good. Bike's not catching fire. Best part.
The bike's never caught fire except one time. Allegedly. Up, and we're gonna head in for the parade. Oh.
There. I don't know if they're going to be blurry or not.
Yo, Becca, parade vlog.
Where's the hot chocolate?
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your favorite again, me. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below. This is the float. So we got one JBL here, another JBL here. I'm just re-downloading the app. Always plan ahead, man. Always make sure you're prepared, but I'm just downloading it now so I can link them together. We got, this is my little buggy. Yeah, because it's small. Yeah, Gim's actually gonna sit up on the top while we're going down the road. So, isn't that right? Yeah, he's going to. So this is great. Make sure you guys comment down below. Please let Beck in all the vlogs.
10 likes. Beck does a singing video.
Yeah, guys, singing video coming soon. So that's crazy. There's Hammy, Connor, Sharon.
Well, I watched it.
It's so nice.
Two friends. Dashing through the snow. Sorry, take his back. I actually can't be trusted.
There they go. Yo, what up? Yo, we back.
We back.
Yo, and you already cleaned up?
Everything's clean, lights are back in the box.
Oh, hell yeah.
Ready for tomorrow's ride? 4 a.m.
Let's go.